Welcome to our new video. In today's video, we will explore the profound practice of meditation to achieve a state of harmony within ourselves. Life can often feel overwhelming, leaving us disconnected from our bodies and minds. But fear not, as we have gathered a collection of expertly crafted guided meditations to help you find balance, restore tranquility, and cultivate inner harmony. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this video will provide you with the tools and guidance to embark on a transformative journey towards a more balanced life. So, let's begin. 1. Mindfulness Meditation. Our first guided meditation focuses on mindfulness, a practice that allows us to fully engage with the present moment. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. With each inhale and exhale, let go of any tension in your body and allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Notice any sensations, thoughts, or emotions that arise without judgment. Simply observe and let them pass. Through mindfulness, we cultivate a heightened awareness of our body and mind, fostering a sense of balance and peace within ourselves. 2. Breathwork Meditation. Our second guided meditation introduces the power of breathwork in restoring balance. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh energy, and exhale slowly, releasing any stress or negativity. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, allowing it to guide you into a state of calmness and serenity. As you synchronize your breath with your body, notice how it harmonizes your entire being. Embrace the transformative energy of your breath as it nurtures a sense of equilibrium between your body and mind. 3. Visualization Meditation. Our third guided meditation explores visualization, a technique that taps into the power of the mind to create balance. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a serene natural setting, a peaceful garden, a tranquil beach, or a majestic mountaintop. Engage your senses as you visualize the sights, sounds, and sensations of this peaceful haven. Allow the beauty of your imagination to envelop you, nurturing a profound sense of tranquility and balance within. Visualization is a potent tool for aligning your body and mind, creating harmony in your inner landscape. 4. Self-compassion Meditation. Our fourth guided meditation focuses on self-compassion, an essential aspect of maintaining balance. Find a comfortable position and bring your attention to your heart center. As you inhale, imagine breathing in love, compassion, and acceptance. With each exhale, release any self-judgment, criticism, or negativity. Embrace yourself with kindness and understanding, acknowledging that you are enough just as you are. Through self-compassion, we cultivate a harmonious relationship with ourselves, nurturing balance in our emotional well-being. 5. Gratitude Meditation. Our fifth guided meditation introduces the practice of gratitude, a powerful tool for cultivating balance and contentment. Close your eyes and bring to mind 3 things you are grateful for in your life. Reflect on the abundance, love, and support that surround you. Allow gratitude to fill your heart and radiate throughout your entire being. As you acknowledge the blessings in your life, you invite a state of balance and harmony, shifting your focus towards the positive aspects of your existence. 6. Integration and Conclusion. Our final guided meditation brings together all the elements we have explored so far: mindfulness, breathwork, visualization, self-compassion, and gratitude. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the present moment and embrace the profound stillness within. As we conclude our journey, remember that balance is not a destination but a continuous practice. By integrating these guided meditations into your daily life, you can cultivate lasting harmony between your body and mind. Thank you for joining us on the Balanced Path, 6 guided meditations for balancing body and mind. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tools for finding balance in your life. Remember, inner harmony is within your reach, and through the practice of meditation, you can discover a path to profound tranquility. Embrace the journey and may your life be filled with balance, peace, and joy.